So that was just part one of the modular castle build, starting with the walls and the towers. Over the next few weeks and months, we're gonna be adding on battlements, we're gonna be adding on doors, gates, sewers, pretty much anything that would make for a really great castle. If you want to build this modular castle along with me, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you see when new videos in this series come out. And if you've got a feature that you think would be really cool to add on to this modular castle, leave a comment in the description. In the next video, we're gonna go over how to make battlements for the towers and for the walls. I'm also gonna show you how to make modular bases for the walls so they're more stable on your table. More stable on your table.